Okay, I'm here at 3402 North 32nd Street, Unit 113. And before I go into the property, I want to show you how it lays out here. You're really close to the parking lot. You're really close to the pool. And that's a good thing from a convenience standpoint. As we go into the property, I want to show you this front area. You can see how open it is here. And this gives me a good opportunity to mention the location, which is very good, convenient location. You're close to 32nd and Indian School, and that means you're close to the 51, and that also means you're close to the 202, and it also means that you're close to downtown and a lot of great shops. So got all that going for you in this location. And I'm going to give you a couple different angles so you can see how this opens up. It's actually a really nice design because this front area opens into the kitchen. And then as you go into the kitchen, you'll notice here you've got your washer dryer combo. That comes with the property, the stackable washer dryer. Now let's take a look at this kitchen, and you can see it's nicely equipped with good cabinets. And let's take a look at these countertops. Oh, and you get a little sound effect too because they're very nice. So let's take a look at this kitchen from this angle. You've got your fridge there, which comes with the property too. So you've got your washer dryer and your fridge, which comes with the property. Now let's take a look at the rest of the layout of the house, and we will go back, and the first room here, we will call it bedroom A. And you can see bedroom A has nice fresh carpet, a good light fixture. Try to show that here, and I just did. And now we'll go out and we will veer left. We will go towards the back of the property, and I will show you this guest bathroom again. You've got your nice upgraded countertops. There's your shower. We will go into this room. I'll show you this room. Well, I want to show it to you first. You've got your nice upgraded floor there, and it's nice and spacious here, you can see. And now this one opens up to the patio. You get your own private patio here. And we'll take a look at it from outside. See a nice storage area there. And now we will walk back through this room. You can see it again. And we will go into the primary room and take a look at this primary bedroom. And it's nice and spacious. You got a nice fixture there. And we'll take a look at it from this angle. Nice fresh carpet. And we'll take a look at it like that. And now we will show you the primary bathroom. And again, you'll see that upgraded countertop, and you will see a nice spacious shower there as well. So go back into the primary, and that concludes the tour. I appreciate you following along with me. If you have any questions, if you'd like to apply, go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. That's rpmphoenixvalley.com. And I thank you for following along, and I wish you a pleasant day or evening wherever you may be.